Welcome to a place where you live in the cradle of nature. With a lush, reserved forest on one side and a picturesque lake on the other side. Your home is built around nature, the ultimate luxury. Welcome to Nature's Habitat. Welcome to the place which nature calls home. At Nature's Habitat, you get to live in a home that elevates your lifestyle to where you truly belong. A life that blends modern lifestyle with serene surroundings, where every inch oozes sophistication and blissfulness. Here, you get to choose from 3 BHK and 4 BHK villas, both with an option of an additional study room. With large windows, we have maximized your living area by allowing ample ventilation and natural light. With wooden flooring in master bedroom, bathrooms that come with premium fittings, provision for modular kitchen, large balconies and much more, we have ensured that living spaces are lavish, contemporary and spacious. But the best part about your home is the unique skylight that we have installed in every villa. The skylight bathes your home with the sunlight during the day and lets you marvel at stars in the night. Your home also comes with 2 separate gardens, one indoor, keeping your home cool and green, and the second one outdoor, to let you reap the benefits of living close to nature. Living as one with nature doesn't mean that you can't reap the benefits of modern comforts. Which is why here you get to enter a world of indulgences at the exclusive clubhouse. The clubhouse is built for discerning individuals who aspire to lead an active and motivated lifestyle. You get to revel in a fully air-conditioned health center with a gym, spa, sauna and jacuzzi. Start your day with a splash at the swimming pool. Kill boredom with a host of indoor games. Keep your children occupied at their own designated play area. Celebrate life's special moments at the multi-purpose hall. Located on Sarjapur Attibele Road, Nature's Habitat is built around the 4 E's: environment, educational institutions, employment centers and entertainment hubs. A combination of life's essentials that we hardly get to experience in today's fast life. Healthcare centers, banks, shopping malls and everything else that is important for a convenient and a comfortable lifestyle. So come and experience life at its maximum at Nature's Habitat and become one with nature. For further details, please contact